So today we are going to start about the topic of the laws of reflection, where you can see we have already studied in class 7 and 8 about the incident ray and the reflected ray, the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection will be equal. So the point that I'm going to discuss basically here is that the incident ray, the normal, the reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. That plane is the hypothetical plane containing the incident ray. That's the plane. We are getting confused. The surface, reflecting surface and plane. We think that the reflecting surface is the plane. So please correct it. So the next topic that we are going to see is spherical mirror. So we have two types of spherical mirror. One is concave and one is convex. So on page number 161, you can see the definition on fourth line, and which is written about third and fourth. The spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is carved inwards, that is faces towards the center of the sphere, is called the concave mirror. That's we can see on figure 10.1. That's on 10.1a. And a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is carved outwards, that's called convex mirror. So here comes the basic concept of making an carved mirror. So you can see that x and x dash is an imaginary line which is called principal axis, and it has been cut through the spherical curve portion which is called the aperture, where I can name it as mn, and it has both have come into contact at a point called pole. So what would happen? The point from P to that portion which would be the center of this whole sphere, it would be called as the radius of curvature, and the center as the center of curvature, that's the curving portion. Now what we are going to do, we are going to check out that between the point of P and C at the exactly at the mid sections, we are going to take out another point which would be calling as the principal focus. Okay, so now there's another diagram which shows about the pole, the radius of curvature, center of curvature, principal axis, and next we are going to talk about the principal focus on our next topic. So principal focus can be seen on exactly on the middle of the 2 points, that's P and C, and I have here the reflecting surface where the linear aperture had been shown, and angular aperture also been shown in the diagram. So what I have to do, I have to just remember that PFC is the serial order sequence. It won't be a PCF or it won't be CPF. It would be always PFC if I consider the reflecting surface in the left side, or if I think of keeping it in the left. Now here comes the twist. I have placed a question in the middle of the video. So if you find the question, write the answer in the comment box and give it. So we will understand you have seen the video.